Rick and Kay Wilcott set out with a goal in mind to raise a great pleasure stallion. With the word pleasure being synonymous in the quarter horse world with the legendary Zippo Pine Bar, there was no doubt who the sire had to be. The Wilcotts selected a flashy-looking, multiple ROM producing mare, Illini Rickles, to be the dam of their dream horse. She had been part of the Bob Perry quarter horse broodmare band prior to her purchase and has proven to be an excellent producer of Zippo foals. Sizzlin Zippo was born in 1993 and has surpassed the Wilcotts' wildest dreams. Even as a foal, it was evident that he had inherited his sire's trademark movement and disposition, and his mother's striking good looks. Sizzlin Zippo's show career has been hot. As a yearling, he picked up a few halter points and won several lungeline futurities. With only limited showing, Sizzlin Zippo has earned an AQHA Superior Western Pleasure Award and over 100 open and amateur Western Pleasure points and championships of several open and non-pro pleasure futurities. A few of Sizzlin Zippo's notable achievements include being crowned the Wisconsin Quarter Horse Association High Point 2-year-old snaffle bit horse, the 1996 Wisconsin Quarter Horse Association Reserve Champion Junior Pleasure Horse, the 1997 Wisconsin Quarter Horse Association High Point Junior Pleasure Horse, and an AQHA World Show qualifier in Junior Pleasure in 1996 and 1997. Sizzlin Zippo stands at Gums Farms in North Judson, Indiana. Gums Farms is conveniently located in the northwest corner of Indiana, an easy drive from most areas of the Midwest. In addition to the quality staff and care provided on the farm, Gums Farms also has a very successful shipped semen program. Cooled semen will be available from Sizzlin Zippo. Sizzlin Zippo's first foal crop arrived in 1998. They are mostly bay, very pretty and correct, and just like their sire, have that trademark Zippo way of going. Watch for the little sizzlers at all the major futurities. They are going to be hot, hot, hot.